Hi, welcome. We are the AME plasma filtration team. Today we're going to be learning about plasma cutting and the filtration behind it. I'm Jake.
I'm Cole. I'm Ada. Themselves.
John. So today I'm going to be playing the role as a freshman who's new to plasma cutting, and these guys right here are going to help me learn all about it, the filtration system we have in place. Let's get to it.
All right, well, can you tell them what this table is?
Yeah, this is a plasma cutter, okay? Basically what this does is it cuts material, including aluminum and mild steel here at the shop, using a plasma arc that melts material and you shoot press air down, which cuts it. Different teams and clubs and organizations use this to cut material for their projects.
Yeah. So why did they put you guys on this AME plasma filtration team?
Because in the AME shop, there's no plasma cutting specific filtration system. In fact, it's clear to see the fumes that are being produced while cutting materials. Some of the reports show that users experience sulfur, itchy eyes, which are all related to plasma cutting.
So like Enzo said, it generates fumes, and improper ventilation leads to illnesses and bad work conditions for the people using it. So we have designed a solution for this, and it's going to make the shop environment safer for students and faculty using the plasma cutter.
Oh, is your solution this canopy looking thing? Or?
Oh yeah, what is it? This tent is actually used to enclose the air before it goes to the filtration system, which is really neat. Also another thing is that it's built directly over the plasma cutter, so it's not taking up as much usable floor space. And lastly, this thing right here can easily be taken off and rolled down and used, and then rolled right back up. So it's really cool.
All right, here we go down to our filter box. We have two sets of filters here. We have this one, the big one, which is our HEPA filter. Basically, it's a 99.9% efficient filter. It will filter out anything to your heart content, viruses, bacteria, things. The problem with this though is it produces smoke and fumes, and that clogs these up real fast. So we have a pre-filter here, which is a MERV 14. This filters out everything up to smoke, and that's why what's happening is it prevents this expensive filter from becoming too clogged really fast.
So, to recap, today we learned about the plasma cutting process. We learned about the filtration system we have in place, which was our canopy design. We learned about the filters, the pressure sensors, and the fan that are all lined up perfectly to pull through the air and filtrate it in an effective way. To prove that it was effective, we demonstrated that with the color test, which showed the change from the before and after of the cassette filters that showed how much cleaner and safer it was.
And with that, our design is promoting safety and health to the students and the faculty using the shop.
Engineered by SDSU engineers for the future SDSU engineers. Thanks for watching.